Hi guys, it's me, Albert Osma. Today we're gonna have the action figure review. And today's selection is Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Ganado from NECA. Okay, see how the packaging look. And this is one of the figure that I think I'm not gonna unboxing it because it's very hard to find this figure. See the front look of it, and this is the left side of the box. There's a photo of the Chainsaw Ganado. This is the back look of it. Back of the packaging. Here's the series 1. There are 3 other figures like Leon S. Kennedy, Ada Wong, and Verdugo. This is one of the must-have item if you are the fans of Resident Evil 4. Here's the right side of the packaging, and here's the below of it. People behind of this masterpiece. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you guys around.